Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to recover your UAE Pass account if you've forgotten your PIN or lost access. First, open the UAE Pass app and tap Forgot PIN on the login screen. This starts the recovery process. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Have your Emirates ID ready, as you'll need to scan it again, similar to the initial registration. Then, the app will guide you through facial recognition to confirm you're the account owner. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After that, you'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter this code to verify your phone. Once verified, you can set a new PIN for your account. Make sure it's memorable but secure, don't use obvious combinations. After setting your new PIN, you can log into UAE Pass normally. Your account and all associated data will be fully accessible again. If this recovery process restored your access, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.